I'm Dr. Gilberto Rosado here for Traffic Multiplex, and in this video we are talking about Altazon. I believe that's the way it's called. Is that what it is? Altazon? Let me see. Yeah, Altazon. Okay, so Altazon is a WordPress. It's such a cool WordPress as opposed to the hot ones. It's a cool WordPress plugin. You can create affiliate site monetized with hot products. Oh, now, see, something had to be hot about it. So the plugin is cool, but the products are hot. So these are from 6 networks in minutes. That's very interesting. It loads in from 6 different networks. Obviously, you're going to have an ID for each of those networks, but let's just read more. And from this email, Altazon allows you to one-click import hot products from Amazon, Best Buy, eBay, all AliExpress, Commission Junction. Now that's pretty an accomplishment with Commission Junction, because as I recall, you have to really be approved for the product itself, so it can't be automatic. The Commission Junction one cannot possibly be automatic, as you need to qualify for each vendor. So I'm sure you have to specify which vendor you want to import the products from. I'm pretty sure about that one. And then Walmart. Pretty much the others you can pull in. Best Buy, I think they leverage on Rakuten marketing, if I'm not mistaken, and maybe not exclusively, but that's where I know they leverage with Rakuten. Amazon, you can be an independent sign up with them, as well as eBay has their own program, so eBay, you can sign up with that, and AliExpress, I'm sure it's the same. And it says all encoded with your unique affiliate ID, but that's not the only consideration with Commission Junction. So just that you know that. You have to understand how those work. It also comes with these 10 powerful modules in one WordPress plugin. It has a price comparison engine, so it compares pricing. It's automatic price update, which is a regular API for the Amazon. Most of them will automatically update the price. Price drop notification technology. It also should be something available at the API with Amazon, but not all the plugins would have that facility in the plugin for you to utilize. Yeah, and I think one of the embeddable displays of I think you can do that through your the updates that Amazon did. They allow people to get the updates, and there's a way that you can type it in, but they put it into the plugin. Fantastic. And then you have the shop and import by real-time discount and many more. Yeah, that's importing what's on discount, and there's a special directory that you can embed, or a display which will bring in those discounted items and things like that. Okay, so it has also added to that is included 5 exclusive bonuses, and then they have these Review Shark WP plugin, Altazon WP plugin, and WP Title Experiment. Things that I'm not too well versed on. The Shark, Review Shark, is probably something that helps bring in some reviews. And the Altazon probably puts in some bells and whistles to the website as well, so that things are entice the customer to buy now instead of later. And the Title Experiment, I have no idea what it is, but it has to do with the titles, right? Now, and 2 WP affiliate themes that are 100% compatible with the plugin. So this is obviously, I'm reading from an email they sent out. Again, it's like all the other Amazon websites. The final analysis, folks, is that you can have this plugin and it has all these fancy things with it. It's all good and dandy, nothing wrong with that. And if it's something that you want to automate the populating of your website with these products from six, you gotta admit though, it has six marketplaces in at the same time with comparison pricing. That's a powerful tool, and it's absolutely something that, this is a good thing to have. But again, that's not the only thing you need, because in order you can have all this on a website and not make one single sale, because what you really need is traffic, and that's what we do at Traffic Multiplex. We help you develop your site. Hundreds of others help you develop your site. What would take you normally 6 years to realizing your site, our teams working together with you can realize that in 5 to 6 months, and just a little more than that, very easily. And that is the benefit of leveraging with Traffic Multiplex. Plus the fact, listen, if you're going to set up a website for all these six marketplaces, there are tens, hundreds of thousands of other websites competing with you. You need something to leverage. So you need to leverage. So there's two ways to leverage. This is the key. You have leverage by joining Traffic Multiplex and being able, therefore, to promote your website through a traffic package from trafficsender.us. But the other thing you want to do is better still. It's to go to Classiforum, and I'll show you the URL here in this panel. So you can go to classiforum.com. You see there at the bottom, earn a salary to promote your website and URLs. Simply go to classiforum.com, 50K job 5D. And by heading over to that and applying for that job, it's a training program. Yes, you have to invest in the level 2 software, because that is really going to catapult your income earnings. So I have to really emphasize that. Get this second category, because that one gives you the most return, and it's the one that helps you qualify more easily for the 50K job. And it's not that it's a job. It's like 15 minutes. Read about it. You'll see it. And all you're doing is promoting. You're learning how to promote websites and how to develop traffic funnels and things like that. You're learning all that, plus the fact that you're promoting your own website and business. And so, where would you rather be 5 to 6 months from today? Would you rather have, you can get this alert Altazon plugin that's being offered right now. I'm pretty sure you'll see links all over the place for it. And you can do that and just sit around. You can throw more money at it, and hopefully the SEO and all of that will work for you, and Google will not release any more animals, and you may make a few dollars here and there. And after 5 or 6 months, you can either be struggling to make $1 with it, or making a few bucks with it, or you can be 5 or 6 months from today, you can be struggling to make a few dollars with it from your regular efforts. But with Traffic Multiplex, you'll be making more than just a few dollars with it, way more than that, plus earning a salary of whatever amount. It will still easily be more than what a lot of people I know who are making money from Amazon websites. They're making $100, $150, the vast majority, $100. Well, the majority really are not making anything. But those who are making money, they're making $100, $150. Some of them that spend some money to really, pack in the SEO and get somebody working on that, they can realize $300 plus. But those are in the minority. So the question is yours to answer. Simply, do you think that you are so unique and special that you'll be able to make more money winging it for the next 5 to 6 months, or do you want to use this, have a sense of sensibility and reason, and leverage traffic multiplex and the salary option here? It's not taking you away from your blog promotion. It's actually helping, bringing more people in to help you, and you can earn a salary, regular paychecks coming in, just doing 15 minutes worth every day. That's all you need to be worried about, and that's all you need to consider. It's really what would be best for you. Where would you like to see yourself in the next 5 to 6 months? Okay, my time is up for this video. It's up to you to think about it. Here are the URLs for you to write down and give us a visit. Also, you might want to do the community-based hosting. Host the website that has the Altazon and the special premium themes that work with it. And you might want to have it hosted in community-based hosting, because we will be promoting that website automatically. So that's another smart idea, but not as good as actually coming and working with us and earning that salary and really make a difference between profit and just waiting for money to happen. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, and until next video, next time we get together.